Hey, what's up, Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over those 3 free tips on how you can actually drive more traffic to your website and really help grow your business here. 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your website pulled up here. So the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content, really bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. That way you can actually layer in those keywords. Those keywords are how you're actually being found and how people are actually trying to find you as well. Even these images down here, this is all content. You got Bejeweled Cleaning. I'd actually just keep that up in your logo and keep it more buyer's intent keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings so you can actually drive more traffic to your website and get on that first page of Google, of course. If I go inside of Google and type in window cleaning Boise, this is what you're going to see. You got ads here at the very top, old school ads, new ads. Old school ads a lot of people have been going away with just because they've been spammy. So Google came up with Google guarantees to help block out some of those spammy phone calls. They still get pretty pricey at the end of the day when people still, hit that button and don't get any service. But coming underneath the ads, we have this little map pack here, or this 3-pack, whatever people call it. A bunch of businesses competing to get to the top 3 where all the traffic actually happens, even multiple pages as well. And really to get to the top 3, you're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is come in there and go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out and completely annihilate them, get 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by, crawls, does all their algorithms, they have no reason to put you in the very top right here. Underneath this map pack, we have this is the first page of Google, and really to get your page there found, or your website, you're going to be dealing with all that content, being really authoric in who you are, what you do, so you can actually layer in those keywords so you can actually be found. But also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately driving power and traffic to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and stick it inside of Arefs, Arefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So you got 22 referring domains pushing back 173 backlinks. This is the history of your site. Started back in about 2016 or so. This is the last 3 months. You got 135 keywords pushing back about 5 clicks a month to your site. You can actually come in and see where those clicks are actually coming from. Office cleaning Boise, there's 100 clicks a month right there. 14th position, you're only getting 1 click. Office cleaning Boise, another 100 clicks. Let's see here. Made to clean Boise, 20 clicks a month. Your 12th position, missing the traffic once again. Janitorial service Boise, Idaho, another 20 clicks. 15th position, missing the traffic. Dry house cleaning Boise, Idaho, 30 clicks, missing the traffic again. So really finding all these keywords and also making sure your content backlinking is in order. You're gonna start having your phone ring off the hook there. Let me show you one of your competitors. This is Sunshine. I stuck them inside of Arefs. I'll do a quick overview. 39 referring domains, 353 backlinks, 288 keywords, which they're getting over 130 clicks to their website every month. Coming in and seeing where those clicks are coming from. Window cleaning Boise, 150 clicks a month, first position. They got 42 clicks out of the 150. Sunshine, they got 150 clicks for their name. Window cleaning Boise, Idaho, another 80 clicks. Second position, getting 11 clicks out of the 80. So really finding all these keywords that's going to help you drive more and more traffic to your site, so you can actually turn those into customers. That's really how you're going to start making this website work for you and profiting off of it. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine. I do love reviews, so if you want to come back, give me a review, that'd be awesome. Thanks. Have a great day.